Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get an IOSS number for VAT purposes in the EU. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, it's kind of a complicated thing to get, so I've created Google Docs here. So to get an import one-stop shop IOS number for VAT purposes in the EU, just follow these steps I've outlined. So you need to first determine your eligibility, so ensure that your business is eligible for the IOSS scheme. The IOS is primarily for businesses selling goods to the EU, customers with a value of less than £150 per consignment. Then the second, you need to register for IOSS. So for EU businesses, if your business is based in the EU, you can register for IOSS in your home country through the national tax portal. For non-EU businesses, if your business is not based in the EU, you need to appoint an EU-based intermediary to handle your IOS registration and compliance. This intermediary can be tax representative or a fiscal intermediary. Then number 3 here, so you got to gather required information. So business identification details, for example, your name, address, VAT number, if applicable. And then description of the goods you plan to sell, and then contact details for your business and intermediary, if applicable. I think I'm butchering that word, but let me know in the comments if I am or not. And then number 4, submit the application. So complete the IOSS registration form on the tax portal of the EU member state where you or your intermediary is based. Provide all required information and documents. Number 5, you need to receive the IOSS number. After your application is processed, you will receive your IOSS number. This number should be used on all eligible consignments to ensure that the correct VAT is applied and collected. And then once after you've received your IOSS number, use the IOS number, which include the IOS number on all eligible shipments to the EU. Ensure that your logistic partners are aware of and use of the IOSS number. And then you need to file monthly returns. So you need to submit monthly IOSS VAT returns to the tax authority where you are registered. These returns should be detailed, all eligible sales and the VAT collected. And then lastly here, you got to make sure you keep all records. So maintain accurate records of all transactions covered by the IOS scheme for a minimum of 10 years. And if you got any specific questions or need assistance with the registration process, consider consulting a tax professional or contacting the tax authority in the relevant EU member state.